secību. Un tagad mēs arī dosim vārdu galvenajam tiesnesim Massimo Morelli izlūkošanai.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this Davis Cup draw. This Euro-Africa Group 2 last round for promotion to Group 1 between Latvia and Ukraine. First of all, I would like to thank the Latvian Tennis Federation for hosting this time. Before we start, I would like to introduce you the players, starting from the visiting country. Sergei Sakovsky, Sergei Bubka, Ilya Marchenko, Denis Molchanov, and Captain Mikhail Filman. We have the home country, Ernest Gulbis, Andis Juska, Denis Pavlos, Martin Potus, and Karlis Lejnieks. I received nomination for singles and doubles from the two different countries. For Ukraine, player number 1 is Sergei Sakovsky and player number 2 Sergei Bubka, and doubles Marchenko and Molchanov. And for Latvia, player number 1 Ernest Gulbis, player number 2 Andis Juska, and for doubles Gulbis and Pavlos. So now we're going to make the draw. The draw is very simple. I put in this cup the name of the 4 single players. We're going to pick up just one, and he's going to give the order of play for the whole tie. So I would like this gentleman, which is the guest, please pick up. Thank you. And the winner is like the Oscar, the ceremony. Winner is Ernest Gulbis from Latvia, which means that tomorrow the first match will be Gulbis against Bubka, followed by Juska against Stakovsky. I repeat, Ernest Gulbis against Sergei Bubka, first match tomorrow. Second match tomorrow, Andis Juska against Sergei Sakovsky. Starting time 2 p.m. Second day, the double, starting again at 2 p.m. with the possibility for the captains to change their nomination up to 1 hour before the starting time, so up to 1 p.m. is Gulbis Pavlos against Marchenko Molchanov. I apologize for any pronunciation which is incorrect, but as I said last time, Latvian, Ukrainian, Russian is not one of the best. Again, Gulbis Pavlos, Marchenko Molchanov. Starting again at 2 p.m. is 2 p.m. Gulbis Stakowski, followed by Juska Burka. All matches the best of 5 sets. First 4 set with tiebreak, final set advantage. There's a new policy called Dead Rubber from this year. If it is 3-0 after starting, then you play all the matches the best of 3 tiebreak sets. If it is 2-1, then if this goes 3-1 with the 4th set, we don't play the last match unless both captains agree. If it is 3-1, only 3 sets, we must play the last match the best of 3 tiebreak sets. I just would like to finish introducing the person who is going to work with me. Chair umpire Alexander Jurgens from Estonia. Stand. Chair umpire Agia Klavina from Latvia. And the chief of official, which I don't remember the name, is Artis. Any questions? So I think that the players are ready for any picture or any post-draw conference.
Okay. Visiem viss bija skaidrs, ko nevajag, ja? Izmantojam iespēju uzdot jautājumu mūsu komandai, uzdot jautājumu Ukrainas komandai krieviski labāk un droši uz priekšu.
Ernest, drīkst jautājumu, kā apmierināts ar izlozi par pirmo spēli, ko var pateikt pretinieku?
Tur mačs divas, nav laiks, un spēlē. Mēs jau vien sarunājuši, kad nav mums divas no rīta mačs, tik divi.
Tas, ka pirmam jāsāk arī nav nekāda iebilda.
Kāds tad?
Andi, ar tevi? Ko par pretiniekiem var pateikt par Ernests un Andis?
Es spēlējis pret abiem diviem, pēdējo reizi Bulkam zaudēju, bet spēlēju drausmīgi. Šoreiz tā, ka nespēlēšanās, tad domāju labu šansu.
Bulkas atspēlējis 3 vai 4 reizes no 3-4 reizēm. Tenis maču no Malčāno vienreiz zaudēju, tad sanāca šogad diezgan neesmu. Un Mačinkots arī zaudēja 9 kārtas.
Es jau nezinu, kā jums status.
Jautājums Lainieku, kā jūtaties debijas reizē kapteiņam?
Nu, pagaidām labi. Nu, jau redzēs senāk, kā es jūtīšos.
Nē, es jūtos ļoti labi. Komanda ir gatava, tā kā rītā redzēs, kas no tā viss sanāks.
Jūs tagad cerat uz paļuļi atbalstīsiet?
Es ļoti ceru, es principā aicinu pilnīgi visus interesantus ierasties, atbalstīt mūsējos, jo vairāk cilvēku būs, jo mūsējiem būs tas labāk un pretiniekiem grūtāk parādīt labākos līmeņus.
Būtu jau ir kā spēlēt priekš?
Spēlēs īsti neesmu. Uzspēlēs skrunāt lākstienes atpakaļ. Varēšu nereģionāli.
Jautājums arī kapteinim ir apstākļi, kādu Liepāja jums piedāvāja labi, vai viss kārtībā?
Liepāja ir piedāvājusi ļoti labs apstākļus. Viesnīca ir ļoti laba. Kā redzēt, olimpiskais centrs ir ļoti, zāle ir uztaisīta ļoti labi, segums ir uzklāts arī ļoti labi, tā kā visi apstākļi ir ideāli, lai parādītu labu sniegumu.
Segums